Alright, so Tesla is crashing today. It is dropping more than 4%. Among the mega cap stocks, it is the only one that is actually on red territory. Today is a relatively green day. If we take a quick look at this heat map, Tesla is our main red star over here. It is crashing, it is losing support levels, it is not doing any meaningful bullish reaction. So what's next on Tesla? What is the next support level? What Tesla has to do in order to react? I'm gonna try to answer these questions in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, my dear friends. My name is Nathan. Let's do our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla's price action as usual. Now, in the 1 hour chart, the trend is clearly bearish. Tesla is doing lower highs, lower lows. It is trading consistently below the 21 EMA, which, by the way, did work as a resistance for us. This morning, Tesla jumped this morning, right? It opened at 174 over here. However, it immediately lost momentum, it lost the EMA, and in one single candlestick, it lost the 166, which is the main support level in the midterm, which I'm gonna describe in more details later in this video. Now, Tesla lost its support level. Right now, it feels like it is trying to react, but honestly, I'm not that optimistic on Tesla right now. If you say, oh Nathan, but if you take a look at smaller time frames, like the 15 minutes chart, maybe this is a flag pattern, right? Well, maybe I'm not gonna disagree with you. Technically, you are right. If you want to buy a Tesla right now, who am I to disagree? But personally, honestly speaking, I'm not that convinced because, again, the trend is bullish. Tesla is still below the EMA, and I'm not that happy as long as it remains under the EMA in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, the EMA is at 167. Keep this price in mind for now. In the daily chart, Tesla is still in a bear trend because since September over here, it is doing lower highs, lower lows. It is trading below the EMA. It is just like the 1 hour chart. The trend is undeniably bearish. Now, the previous support level on Tesla is at 166. It is very close to the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart is right now. The EMA in the 1 hour chart is at 167. This support level, this red line, is at 166. Tesla lost this key point today. Therefore, this key point is our main resistance level right now to work with, because according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis, previous support levels are going to work as future resistance levels and vice versa. Now, this red line is our main resistance level along with the EMA in the 1 hour chart as well. In addition, in the daily chart, we are almost at the next support level, which is at 155. This dotted line down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you can, because this dotted line was previously a resistance level on Tesla on October 2020 and almost a resistance on November 2020 and maybe on September 2020 as well. So this key point over here, 155, the 150 area is a secondary support level in my humble opinion. Maybe Tesla is going to hold at this support level right now, but unfortunately, there's not a single bullish reaction on it. If we look in the 1 hour chart, if we look in the daily chart, I don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. In fact, today's candlestick is quite bearish. The volume was quite high, so no, there's not a single bullish reaction. But Nathan, what Tesla has to do right now, in your opinion, what Tesla has to do right now in order to react, in order to convince you that Tesla is going to bounce again? I'm going to talk about this scenario in more details next. First, the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, Tesla is losing its most important, the most critical support level, which is this trend line over here, this purple trend line, which is the baseline of this gigantic descending channel. In addition, we are almost at the previous support level over here, so we are in a quite dramatic situation, okay? If Tesla is about to react, now is the best time ever on it in many months, okay? So I think a reaction on Tesla at this point, a bullish reaction, would be extremely welcome. I don't see any opportunity to short, to sell Tesla right now because we are near support levels, okay? As long as we stay near the support level, near the 155, I think it is just too late. Because honestly, are you going to short Tesla? Are you actually going to sell Tesla after dropping 49% since the previous resistance? I think it is just a little bit too late. And honestly, I would feel like I am selling to a smart portfolio manager who's going to buy from me near a support level. So I'm not that comfortable in selling Tesla at this price level. But again, I don't see any crystal clear buy sign on Tesla as well. This week, we are dropping 10%. And today is Tuesday, right? Today is Tuesday, we are dropping 10%. Is it Tuesday? I'm so sorry, I'm totally lost. Yes, it's Tuesday. Minus 10%. Last week, it dropped again, minus 8%. So we are dropping 18% only in less than 2 weeks. So this is quite dramatic. This is quite catastrophic. I don't see, personally speaking, I will be totally honest with you guys. There is not a single bullish sign right now for me on Tesla that could convince me that it is going to be a buy right now or in the next couple of days, okay? And last month was a very good month. We performed nearly 20% on Tesla only among buy and selling it. We had a return of 20%. If you want to trade with us, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. But right now, honestly, there's no buy signal on Tesla. What could be a buy signal on Tesla in your opinion, Nathan? First and most important of all, we gotta see a bullish reaction, meaning a good bullish candlestick pattern above this support level on Tesla. And the 166, the EMA in the 1 hour chart at the 167, this key point over here is a main resistance in the short term. If Tesla does a very good, meaningful, bullish reaction and closes above the 166, then okay, great. I think Tesla is going to bounce again. But keep in mind, I think Tesla is going to bounce again. What do I mean with bounce? I think Tesla is going to retest the 21 EMA in the daily chart next. Because the EMA is our main resistance level since September 2020. Tesla hit the EMA, it drops. Hit the EMA, drops. Hits the EMA, drops. So right now, if Tesla reacts, I think it is going to bounce to the EMA again. And then we'll see if Tesla is going to reverse or not. I don't know. I think in order for us to see a crystal clear, amazing, fantastic bullish reaction, we gotta break 198, okay? But if we break the 166, I will be convinced of a short-term bounce on Tesla. And then we'll see if it is a bounce, if it is a meaningful bullish structure. Only time will tell. Right now, I would just keep my eyes open at 166 and at the 155. Any meaningful bullish reaction, maybe it is going to indicate a possible bounce, but I will keep my eyes open at the EMA either way. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. So if you're still watching this video, keep in mind, if you subscribe, you're gonna keep in touch with my daily analysis. Probably you liked the content, am I right? If you're still watching this video, so click on the like button, subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe, farewell.